Hello students, let's discuss about syllabication. So to discuss about syllabication, first of all we must have to know what is syllable. See, answer is very simple. Number of vowel sounds in a word is called syllable. Okay, number of vowel sounds in a word is called syllable. जब हम कोई भी वर्ड प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो हमारे जो वे ऑफ प्रोनाउंसिएशन है उससे भी हम नंबर ऑफ सिलेबल्स बता सकते हैं, या हम उस वर्ड में प्रेजेंट जो वॉवेल है उसे देखकर भी सिलेबल्स हम बता सकते हैं. ठीक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी द वर्ड एंटरटेनमेंट. See how we pronounce it. Entertainment means there are 4 syllables in the word entertainment. Let's see another example. Humble. How will we pronounce it? Humble means there are 2 syllables in humble. The way in which we pronunciate the word, we can tell the number of syllables. Okay. जिस वे में हम किसी वर्ड को प्रोनाउंसिएट करते हैं उससे भी हम नंबर ऑफ सिलेबल्स बता सकते हैं. लाइक सी, मंकी. हाउ विल वी प्रोनाउंसिएट मंकी? मंकी. सो देयर आर 2 syllables in monkey. Okay, when we pronunciate monkey, we will first pronunciate mong, then key. So there are 2 syllables in monkey. Like humble. Humble. We pronunciate humble, and that's why we can say that there are 2 syllables in humble. For entertainment, how will we entertainment? We will pronunciate the word like this, and that's why we can say that number of syllables are 4. Let's see some more example. Enjoy. How will we pronounce it? Enjoy. Enjoy means there are 2 syllables. Okay. Then we may take another example. Season. Season. How will we pronounce it? Season. So number of syllables will be 2 in season. We'll take another example. Weather. How will we pronounce it? Weather. Weather means there are 2 syllables in weather. Let's see another example. Beautiful. Now see how we pronunciate the word beautiful. Beautiful. And that's why we can say that there are 3 syllables in the word beautiful. Now let's see the rules for how to count syllable. Okay. Now let's see how to count syllable. So सबसे पहले तो हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि नंबर ऑफ सिलेबल्स किसी वर्ड में डिपेंड करते हैं नंबर ऑफ वॉवेल साउंड पे. हम लिख सकते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ syllable depends upon the number of vowel sounds in a word. हमने क्या कहा है? नंबर ऑफ वॉवेल साउंड्स कहा है, नॉट नंबर ऑफ वॉवेल्स. हमने कहा है नंबर ऑफ वॉवेल साउंड्स. ठीक. तो सबसे पहले तो आप लोगों को वॉवेल और कॉन्सोनेंट, जिसे हिंदी में स्वर और व्यंजन कहते हैं, ये आपको पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. हमारे जो टोटल 26 लेटर्स है इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में, जिसमें से 5 वॉवेल है और 21 आर कॉन्सोनेंट. 5 are vowel and rest 21 are the consonant. Since your KG class, you know that which are the vowel? A, E, I, O and U are the vowel and rest 21 like B, C, D, etc. up to Z are consonant. Okay. But here in our definition what we say? We are saying, हम कह रहे हैं कि number of वॉवेल साउंड्स. ठीक है, ये तो वॉवेल है, नंबर ऑफ वॉवेल्स हमें पता है, लेकिन वॉवेल साउंड डिफरेंट होते हैं. ठीक है, तो नंबर ऑफ वॉवेल साउंड पे नंबर ऑफ सिलेबल डिपेंड करते हैं. नाउ सी, लेट्स सी द रूल्स ऑफ हाउ टू काउंट सिलेबल्स. यू शुड नो दैट इन सम प्लेसेस वाई वर्क्स एज अ वॉवेल. For example, see, fry, cry, try, etc. These are the example where y works as a vowel. बहुत सारी जगह पे y as a vowel वर्क करता है. vowel sound होता है. देखो, fry, cry, try. Okay. Now let's see rules. How to count syllables. The first rule is check number of vowels in a word. Okay. So let's see an example. Magic. Okay. In this word, count the number of vowels. 1 and 2. There are 2 vowels and that's why we can say that vowel sounds also. And therefore we can say that there are 2 syllables in the word magic. Okay, but only single rule will not work and that's why we must have to know the next rules also. Okay, so see the second rule. See, the next rule is together. If 2 vowels are together, consider them a single vowel sound. अगर 2 vowels साथ में आते हैं तो हमें उन्हें सिंगल वॉवेल साउंड कंसिडर करना होता है. एग्जाम्पल देखो, क्राइज. See, here I and E are together, but we will consider it as only a vowel sound and that's why we will say, हम कहेंगे कि इसमें कितने syllables है? 1 syllable. Let's see another example. Please. Okay, here 2 vowels are together, but we will consider it as a vowel sound and that's why we can say that there is only 1 syllable in please. Okay, and ये e को हमने क्यों कंसिडर नहीं किया है, ये हमें नेक्स्ट रूल में क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. ईयर. In the word ear, E and A both are together. 2 vowels are together, but we will consider it as a single vowel sound and that's why we can say that there is only 1 syllable in the word ear. Okay. Now the third rule is E at the end silent. Means the letter E is at the end of the word and is silent, then don't consider it as a vowel. फिर उसे आपको vowel consider नहीं करना है अगर E word के लास्ट में है और silent है. Like अभी हमने आपसे कहा था एक एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज. ठीक, इसमें E और A टुगेदर है, हम इसे 1 काउंट करेंगे और ये जो E है ये साइलेंट है एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी विल नॉट काउंट इट एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट इन प्लीज देयर इज ओनली 1 syllable. नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल. नेम. ओके, इन द नेम this is 1 vowel sound and E is silent and that's why we will not consider it and hence we will say that there is only 1 syllable in name. Now see another example. Decide. Okay, and decide, this is 1, this is 2 and this E is silent, hence we will not count it. So how many syllables are there in the word decide? There are 2 syllables in the word decide, this and this. Okay, now see one more example. file. Okay, in the file, again here this is one syllable and this E is silent, and hence we will not count it. How many syllables are there in file? Only one syllable. Likewise, tile. Yeah, good. There is again only one syllable. Now I think the rule third is clear to all. See students, these two concepts should be clear to all of you. Monosyllable words and multisyllable words. The word in which only one syllable will be there, only one syllable will be present, then it is called monosyllable word. Like example, dog, cat, please, etc. These all are called monosyllable words because there is only one syllable in dog, cat. Here in this please, together means one, and this is silent, hence not to count. That's why here in please also there is only one syllable, and that's why all these words are the examples of monosyllable words. Now let's see multisyllable words. More than two syllables when present in a word, the word is called multisyllable word. Let's see examples. The examples are corner. See, in this corner, this O and this E, two vowel sounds are there, and hence there are two syllables in the word, and that's why this word corner is called multisyllable word. Okay, now see the next example. Yesterday. How will we pronounce it yesterday? Yes, ter and day. And here see 1, 2 and 3 syllables. Vowel sounds are there, and that's why we will say that there are 3 syllables in yesterday, and hence why we will say that this yesterday is a multisyllable word. Now the another example is Monday, then harder, etc. Okay, clear? If you have any doubt, beta, you may ask to me. Okay.